What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here, and you're here with Crypto Eat. And if you're ready to eat, subscribe to this channel with the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information packed videos just like the one you're watching right now. By that being said, today's video will be about XRP. We'll dig a little deeper on the XRP vs SEC lawsuit and the mystery behind the sealed memos and Ripple lawsuit. So there should be two memos that should be getting revealed, but we also take a look at a video that came out last year. It's about a month old. It's descriptive of how the SEC redacts so many things and publicly denies things, but also they do so many shady things in public, in secret, but never want to reveal themselves to the public. By that being said, guys, subscribe to this channel if you guys are new, and if you guys are new subscribers, I appreciate you guys. God bless you guys. Share this video with anyone you know that's interested in the financial markets so we can all grow together. Now let's get straight into this video after the beautiful intro.
4x, everything is 4x.
I wanted to switch up some things a little bit, so let's go to the crypto bubbles today, and this is what we'll be taking a look at. You guys can even see the big bubbles over here: Leo, KDA, IOTA, Gala. We're focused on which one? Yes, let's zoom into it. We're focused on XRP. Hit us with the 40% already. It hit a high of 90 cents the past day, and look at this, 88 cents currently. Let's go to the day time frame. Still $4.47 billion for the 24-hour volume. That's an impressive thing. For the year, it's up 69%. For the hours, down 1.3%. And for the day, it's up 4.4%. By that being said, let's get straight into the article. The article is about XRP versus SEC, the mystery behind the sealed memos and Ripple lawsuit. The recent developments in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit have signaled some good signs for the XRP investors, just like me and you. However, the two sealed memos considered key to Ripple lawsuit are still a mystery. Judge Annalisa has already ordered to reveal the memos publicly on February 17th, 2022. And why is this day extremely important? If you ask me, February 17th, this is a day, as we just read, they were ordered by Judge Annalisa to reveal the memos publicly, so we can all know as XRP investors and non-XRP investors that are supporting this lawsuit because they don't want their coin to get hurt, and anyone that's invested their time and their money into this case, so we can fully grasp and understand where this case is headed, and we can also completely know what the SEC is doing behind the doors. It's still a mystery, guys, just like stated right here. Still unknown, especially to the public. We need to know these things, and February 17th is a very important day for that, for when things get revealed. And I'll keep you guys updated with all these hearings, and let's keep on going. Why sealed memos are key to this case? The two memos are termed as pieces of key evidence in this case. Ripple and government have presented very different scenarios. That's very true. Of what Ripple's outside counsel could have said in the two sealed memos. So we'll read what the SEC is saying about XRP, and we'll read what the Ripple is saying about SEC. As reported by Reuters, the SEC believes that the Ripple and its CEO, Chris Larsen, were fully aware of the risk, and XRP would have been considered a security under federal law. This is not true. However, Ripple and Now, I'll explain why this is not true, by the way. But however, Ripple and Now, its chairman Larsen says the SEC is mischaracterizing the memos, and the documents show that Ripple's lawyers ultimately concluded its tokens were not securities. So let's refer back to this question, right? To this statement that SEC made, that Ripple was fully aware of the risk XRP would have considered under the jurisdiction of securities. Let's come down here. It's funny, right? But look at this. Great statement by Stuart Aldersey, the general counsel of Ripple, commented, "It took the SEC 8 years. So after 8 years, why would Ripple be fully aware of the risk of XRP. If you have done nothing and they have contacted you guys to take measures to let them know about the clarity of regulations and the clarity of crypto, what's going on. But okay, let's keep on going. It took them 8 years to even sue Ripple. But while XRP traded globally again, so it was trading globally, but they still waited 8 years to sue them. To declare its contrary view, we look forward to the public having access to these documents as we continue to vigorously defend this case. And we'll discuss about what kind of documents, the redacted documents, right? And it's kind of crazy. Take a look at this as well. The questions will always be answered at the end of the day. So they'll be answered on February 17th and the following court cases. But I'll keep you guys updated on that. And John Deaton voiced his opinion. He believed former leader of SEC abused their position against Ripple. And let's get into the Twitter to get into the action. Take a look at this. Remember, Patrick Bet-David. By the way, shout out to Patrick Bet-David. Very smart individual, especially when it comes to real estate, and versed in the whole economic way of how the whole world revolves. But that being said, let me play you guys this little clip and show you guys how much of the documents are redacted. But also, it just goes to tell you that how many games the SEC is trying to play with what they're doing. So let me play this video for you guys.
Other SEC is, did you know that 60 went out with that draft speech that gave Ether a free pass? You know who was the only commissioner to get a draft version of it?
Yeah.
Jay Clayton. Did you know Crypto Mom herself, Hester Peirce, never saw it? How do you draft?
Why would Clayton be involved in that draft? Like, why would he?
He gave input. He's the only commissioner. Bill Hinman was deposed. Ripple was successful in getting him deposed.
You see that?
They redact everything to the public, and I have it here. If you want to see it, the lawyers ask him.
Let's take a look at
Did you
that.
ever represent?
How much is that?
90%.
Can I say? This goes to you telling us.
And the other thing that the SEC
Having trouble. Just find a congressman. Give him that was it. Cool. Election.
And this is the story that Pat David is telling because he had a friend in college. Take a look at this. Let me rewind it back for you guys.
Congressman. Give him that was it. Cool. Election. Help put over a law.
You hear that?
This is it.
Pay him $500,000 to the congressman and he'll help you put a law toward you. We all knew they were being bought, but this is just how the extreme they go to.
All right, and this isn't the whole. This isn't the whole. This isn't the whole lawsuit.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Mm-hmm.
This is insane.
Now, why would they redact that if he's asked a question? Have you ever had clients that are part of the Ethereum Foundation? If I represent you in business, I can't talk about.
So is this public record?
No, it was an exhibit that's public record.
Can we show this? Or
Oh yes, you can show it.
Look at this. Let me pause it right here.
I don't know if people can see this.
We can definitely see it. Gerard, look at this. Look how redacted this whole page is. The whole page is redacted, and this is not the only thing. When he picks up the other ones, you'll see it too.
Of every single word on the page, and there's pages of it.
You see that? This is a point I'm trying to make. The SEC is doing so much dirty things behind the backs of the investors and anyone that's involved in this space. And they're right here. Look at them. Such a trash way to treat your citizens, and such a trash way to put your investors in a place when you're supposed to be protecting your investors. This is what your whole thing is, right? They put their description because that's what they do. The SEC protects investors, maintains fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitates capital formation. But they have failed to do this numerous times, which has upset so many people, including myself. And this is him saying, still love Gerard's sincere reaction. It's just crazy to me, guys. There is a point where we get tired of this, but we still got to keep on going because we know the day that we will prevail. We don't give up because we know we're on the right side. I wanted to give you guys this news early and bright in the morning so you can have your day and be strong, waiting for the day we will get things revealed to us on February 17th, specifically on this case, and more things to come. It's not the ending of this case. February 17th is the very, very crucial timing for this case. By that being said, guys, I'm Crypto E with UL Exchange. God bless you guys for tuning in. Subscribe to this channel if you found it interesting. Share this video with anyone that you know. Like this video as well. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Surrender right now. I surrender right now. I surrender right now. Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now. Right now. I surrender right now.